When you be thankful, you get more. Let's talk about gratitude. Gratitude, being thankful for it all, allows us to realize the action and reaction is always equal, yet always opposite at the same time. The moment we begin not to be grateful for what we have accomplished is the moment that we begin to lose control of it. Money has positive energy. Dissatisfaction is a negative energy. A positive and a negative will not create a positive. If we do not acknowledge that you have completed level 1, how can we expect to move towards level 2? The great part about creating money without a job is there is no such thing as negative experiences, because all experiences, both good and bad, are helpful to our creations of income, therefore leaving us no choice but to be thankful for all the experiences that we encounter. Always be grateful, because these are lessons to be learned so we can make corrections and the necessary adjustments for our path to a better income. Remember, if you be thankful for what you have, you will always accumulate more. Thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe, like, and hit the bell. See you soon.